In my last video, I have given you some definitions in the chapter of light, class 10. Now I am continuing those definitions furthermore. First of all, we will see the difference between a ray and a line. Line means straight line. A ray has one end point, but a line has no end point. Which when we say two rays are intersecting, that type of intersection may be of two types. First, real intersection. Suppose two rays in this direction intersecting at this point, and suppose two rays in these directions cannot intersect forward, then we will intersect it by producing it backward. This type of intersection is called virtual intersection. Virtual intersection. And this is real intersection. These words will be used in further definitions and other knowledges about light. Now we see what is object. Again, this is ray. When we extend the ray backward and make it a line, then this is the line of reflected or incident, line of ray, line of a ray. Object is the point of intersection. Object is the point of intersection of the lines of rays. Lines of rays जो होंगी उसका जो point of intersection होगा incident rays का, उसको हम object बोलते हैं. The point of intersection of lines of incident rays is object. उसे ही हम object बोलते हैं लाइट में. That is called object. Similarly, image. This is point of intersection of lines of reflected or refracted ray. Reflected ray in the sense when there is a reflection by mirror or some highly polished surface, and refraction is when there is a case of lens. Lenses refract the light, mirrors reflects the light. So in all the cases, image is the point of intersection of lines of reflected or refracted rays. Again, if in the case of object, this point of intersection is real, then we call it real object, and if it is virtual, then we call virtual object. Means real and virtual object. The definition is that when the point of intersection of rays, point of intersection of rays is real. Which type of ray? Intersection of rays, that is incident rays, is real. We say the point as virtual object. Sorry, defined as real object. But when the point of intersection is found by producing the rays backward producing the rays, when this point of intersection is virtual, we call this point as virtual object. Now we will see about real image and virtual image. The sense is same. Image is point of intersection of lines of incident rays. If this point of intersection is real, means incident ray actually lines of reflected rays, reflected or refracted rays. If this point of intersection is real, if this point is real, we say real image. Real image. And if virtual, we say the point as virtual image. Spherical mirrors. A mirror whose reflecting surface is spherical. Spherical means in the sense part of a sphere. A mirror whose reflecting surface is spherical shape, we call it spherical mirror. These are of two types. Actually, spherical mirror can be made. This is hollow sphere of any transparent material, glass, hollow sphere. We take a part of it and we polish one of its surface. Suppose this surface is polished, and this is reflecting surface. So this kind of mirror will be called concave mirror. Concave mirror. कॉन्केव का मतलब गड्ढा होता है, तो होल टाइप का हो, मतलब इसमें we can say that the reflecting surface is curved inward concave mirror, and if we polish it from inside, and opposite side is reflecting surface, then this is reflecting surface, reflecting surface. Here it is reflecting surface. This is called convex mirror. Convex means bulge out, जो खुला हुआ हो. Means here the reflecting surface is curved outward. Outward जो curved है reflecting surface वो convex mirror हुआ. So concave mirror, whose reflecting surface is curved inward like this. Convex mirror, whose reflecting surface is curved outward. Next, in next video further